हेलो दोस्तों, तो स्वागत है हमारे नए ब्लॉग में। आज बहुत दिन के बाद ब्लॉग बना रहा हूँ। तो एक्चुअली आज हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी में है आपका इंटरनेशनल योगा डे का प्रोग्राम, जो कि सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है हॉस्टल नंबर 5 में, जो गर्ल्स हॉस्टल है वहाँ पे। तो चलिए और आपको दिखाएंगे वहाँ पे कैसे रहता है आपका आज का इंटरनेशनल योगा डे यहाँ पे। तो दोस्तों, आज है फादर्स डे भी है, तो उन सब पेरेंट्स और फादर्स को भी हैप्पी फादर्स डे, जो अपना सब कुछ सेक्रीफाइस करके हमें अपना सपना पूरा करने के लिए बाहर भेजते हैं और अपना सब कुछ लगा देते हैं। तो हैप्पी फादर्स डे टू देम। तो चलिए, अभी हम टैक्सी कर लिए और जा रहे हैं हॉस्टल 5, जो कि दागविस की साइड है। तो ये रहा, हम टैक्सी में ऑलरेडी बैठ चुके हैं और ऑन द वे है। जाके फिर दिखाते हैं वहाँ पे कैसा रहता है आपका इंटरनेशनल योगा डे का प्रोग्राम। तो दोस्तों, ये वाली गर्ल्स हॉस्टल है और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो हम अभी प्रिपरेशन हो गया योगा का। बच्चे सब घर चले गए, इसलिए भीड़ अभी कम है।
On behalf of the Indian Student Society, I warmly welcome you all to the International Yoga Day celebration here at Samarkand State Medical University. International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on 21st June across the world. This day was officially recognized by the United Nations in 2014 following a proposal by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. As medical students, we understand that good health is not only the absence of disease, but also the presence of physical, mental, and emotional well being. Yoga originated in India thousands of years ago and is much more than physical exercise. It is a holistic practice that promotes harmony between the mind, body, and spirit, helping individuals achieve better health, inner peace, and overall well being. Today, as Indian students studying in Uzbekistan, we are proud to celebrate this rich heritage while strengthening the cultural bonds between India and Uzbekistan. As future doctors, we should not only treat diseases but also promote preventive health care, and yoga is one of the best examples of preventive medicine. It is our great privilege to have with us the Dean of our International Faculty, Mr. Mama Rajabos Oberjon, as our chief guest. We are also honored by the gracious presence of our Deputy Dean and beloved mentor, Dr. Sunil Sharma. We sincerely thank both of them for joining us and supporting this meaningful celebration. I would like to invite our Dean Sir to please come and say a few words.
Namaste. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of International Education Faculty of Samarkand State Medical University. It's a big honor for me to stand in front of you today and to be as a part of celebration of International Yoga Day. So actually I have heard about this International Yoga Day just yesterday, honestly speaking, and I was surprised. And as I know from my previous years, the yoga is a type of meditation, and it is like part of medicine even. We can say that, as I already mentioned in our student, the yoga is part of preventive medicine. So, as I understood, in India, these days celebrating very, very in the high level. So, from now I know that we have to celebrate this day every year. I would like to thank you. I would like to thank organizers, Indian Student Society, and under leadership of our Dr. Sunil Sharma. And I hope we will enjoy this today's yoga. I would like to try. Thank you so much. Good luck.
So let's begin the program and celebrate the spirit of health, harmony, and unity through yoga. Please come.
Morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank our respected Dean for coming here, for joining us, and I'm very thankful to all of you who are present here today. And I want to congratulate you on International Yoga Day. Yoga is the biggest gift given to the world by India. Because yoga, this is not just an exercise, but yoga is, way to live the life. How you do exercise at the same time, you make a balance between your soul, your body, and your daily things which you do in life. In this stressful world, we need something which make a balance between all these things, and yoga is the best way to get to live your life without any stress, with harmony. So I want you people to do yoga on regular basis. As you are students, you have to study many things. And I just want to thank once again our respected Dean, as he told that every year we need to celebrate International Yoga Day. Maybe next year we will celebrate it on a bigger scale with more students. And I'm very thankful to the respected Rector Jasur Limjanovic for giving us opportunities where we are celebrating all these events at Samarkand State Medical University. And I hope that next time Jasur Limjanovic will be present in the event and we will have this event on a very bigger scale. So thank you very much for everything. Once again, I congratulate you on International Yoga Day 2026. Thank you.
Today, students will demonstrate various yoga postures and practices that showcase the physical, mental and spiritual benefits of yoga. I would also like to invite our respected Dean Sir and Dr. Sunil Sharma Sir to please join us if possible and experience these benefits alongside our students, if possible.
Please.
Relax your mind and take a deep breath. Take a deep breath in and then slowly exhale. Relax your body and your mind. Just focus on the present moment. On your breathing, take a deep breath in. Inhale and exhale. Please inhale slowly. And now exhale. Just focus on your breathing, let go all the stress. Just focus on your mind and the present moment. Keep a and relax your minds. A slow and deep inhale and then exhale. ठीक है, जो कर पा रहा है कर लेगा. Inhale slowly, take a pause Inhale and then exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your body. Relieve your shoulders. Just a deep inhale, pause, and a slow exhale. Happy International Yoga Day!
तो दोस्तों अभी हम हॉस्टल के बाहर हैं और हो गया है आज का योगा डे ख़त्म। तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक से सब्सक्राइब करना और योगा करते रहना। मिलते हैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में।